Can I tell you honestly who I thought you were?
Who?
You know the guy that plays the the beats on his phone or like whatever.
What's up, bro?
Yo. Yo.
What's got you so riled up there?
What do you mean?
Nobody should get you that mad, cutie.
That damn smirk.
You're ugly.
No.
I'm joking.
No, he's not.
I know, I'm joking. You're gorgeous.
Smile.
Wait, hey, do you make sounds, bro?
Huh?
Do you?